Somewhere in the universe, there is a place so violent, so extreme, that nothing we know could survive it. It makes black holes look peaceful. And the terrifying part? There are millions of them. Today, we are going there. We are talking about a gamma-ray burst, the most powerful explosion in the universe. In just a few seconds, it releases more energy than our sun will produce in its entire lifetime. That is not a typo. A few seconds, our sun's entire lifetime. Nothing in the universe comes close to this. Gamma-ray bursts are born when massive stars die. Stars at least 20 times bigger than our sun collapse and explode in a supernova. At the core of that collapse, a black hole forms instantly. And in that moment of birth, two jets of pure energy fire out from both poles at nearly the speed of light. These jets are so focused and powerful, they can be detected from halfway across the observable universe. We have spotted gamma-ray bursts from 13 billion light-years away. That means we are seeing explosions from when the universe was very young. Ancient violence, reaching us across billions of years. There are two types of gamma-ray bursts, short and long. Short ones last less than 2 seconds and come from two neutron stars colliding. Long ones can last several minutes and come from collapsing massive stars. Both are catastrophically deadly, just in different ways. Now, here is the part that should make you uncomfortable. If a gamma-ray burst fired in our direction from within our galaxy, we would have no warning. The burst travels at the speed of light. Nothing outpaces it. By the time we detected it, it would already be here. A direct hit from a nearby gamma-ray burst would strip away Earth's ozone layer instantly. Without the ozone layer, ultraviolet radiation from our own sun would flood the surface. Photosynthesis stops. Food chains collapse. Mass extinction begins. Some scientists believe a gamma-ray burst may have caused the Ordovician mass extinction 450 million years ago. A gamma-ray burst within 8,000 light-years of Earth could cause catastrophic damage. Our galaxy is 100,000 light-years wide, so that danger zone covers a significant portion. The good news? Most gamma-ray bursts in our galaxy are aimed away from us. The jets are very narrow, like a cosmic laser beam, not a floodlight. Right now, there is no known gamma-ray burst aimed at Earth. But the universe is under no obligation to warn us. There is one star called WR104, a Wolf-Rayet star, sitting about 8,000 light-years away. It is a prime candidate to produce a gamma-ray burst, and its axis may be pointed toward Earth. Gamma-ray bursts may also be one reason why intelligent life is so rare in the universe. Any civilization unlucky enough to be in the path of one simply gets erased. The universe is not just vast and cold, it is actively violent, and gamma-ray bursts are its most powerful weapon. And yet, here we are, somehow still alive, still asking questions. Every second we exist is borrowed time in a universe that does not care. But knowing the danger does not make us smaller. It makes our existence here, on this tiny rock, even more remarkable. If you want to understand what other cosmic threats are hiding in our galaxy, that is a story for another time. Thanks for traveling with us today. If this made you think, you're already asking the right questions. See you in the next one.